I know you're going to love this tutorial, even though it wasn't supposed to exist. I found this box of toys in the trash and thought, how can we give this trash a second chance? That's how the idea for today's tutorial came about. A little trash, Sprunky theme, and let's see what comes out of it.
Someone
Before I continue, I'm thrilled to show off my new Perry-made rings, which I absolutely adore. If you want a pair too, I'll make sure to include the links in the description.
By your drum, I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
For the finer details, I'm so excited to share with you my new set of 48 Ohuhu acrylic markers from the Nahoku collection. I really appreciate that the set includes 3 white and 3 black markers. Those are the colors that tend to run out the fastest, so it's great to have more of them. If you'd like to get your own set, I'll be happy to leave the links in the description. And there they are, the 3 objects that were in the trash, but now they have a brand new life. Now, I'd love to know, which one did you like the best? Would you like to see a second part where I transform other objects from this basket?